Today we're going to take the little JJRC Heron out for a little flight just to check it out. I took it out for a little 1-minute flight just to see if it would fly. But now I'm just going to fly it around the park for a little bit just to see how it acts up. We'll get it worked out, man. We'll get it worked out. Okay, I guess there's not enough satellites to take off, which is kind of bogus. I don't know how many you need. I didn't notice it in the book. I'm sure it's in there. But I've only got 7, so guess I'll just have to wait a few minutes. Oh, God. I didn't know if it was going to take off or wasn't going to take off or... Okay, now I'll start some video. Okay. Yay! I'm going to try to hold it still here and see if I can get the video. I don't really see the gimbal turning. By me moving the wheel. So okay, that's one thing that's not working because, oh wait a minute, there it goes. It just went from a 100% down to 80% in 1 second. So the battery gauge isn't one of those accurate battery gauges that go down, you know, one number at a time. It's like Wingsland stuff where it drops a lot. You know, so that's not an accurate type deal there. It seems to fly okay. I mean, it's nowhere near a spark, okay? So get that out of your head right off the bat. It's not a spark, okay? Forget it. That's not happening. It bounces around a lot. The positioning is not that good. Let's get it in here a little closer for some positioning because there's more satellites now, so but I can't seem to get the gimbal to move with the... I don't think it's locked. Maybe it's stuck. Because I know on that egg drone mine was stuck one time. But as you see, it doesn't sit very still. The positioning on it is not that good. And it has 11 satellites now. So I'm turning that gimbal wheel, but it's not turning. Let me land it real quick and see if I can get it to... Let me see what's up with that gimbal wheel. Huh. I don't know, man. Let me see, I got it up in the air here. Yeah, that's not turning at all. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know what's going on with that there, to be honest with you. Oh well. No gimbal wheel for you. No gimbal moving. Let's see. Nope. It's not moving at all. Actually, it's a little cockeyed too. So, oh well. So it goes. I don't get, I guess I don't get any gimbal turning for me. No gimbal turning for you, TDR. Well, we can always hope. We can always hope that the video looks good, right? Now I notice that the lights are staying a solid color. And now they're flashing blue. Oh, I don't know what's up with all that. Blue flash, red flash, green flash. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, it says 40% now. Okay, so now the red lights are in the front are gonna flash now. I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch some more Simon's videos to find out what the hell the story is with this thing. I can't figure out the gimbal. I don't know what the story is with that. Oh. So far the video recorded for 10 minutes. I'm gonna stop that just so we can get some video. Okay, at least it lands nice and easy, right? Alright, so I'll work on the gimbal, find out what's, because I could have swore that worked before. Gimbal's not working, that's all I know. Alright boys, I'll talk to you later.